now take your final walk. Let's start off with Miss Dama de Noche.
And finally, Miss Calachuchi.
Okay, it is now time to move to our next competition, ang question and answer portion.
Yan.
Question and answer po. Mahina ang utak ko dyan para ako mamamatay. Hindi pwede ito.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Walang ginawa kundi party ng party, gym ng gym, harot ng harot. Hindi nag-homework, hindi nag-iisip. But don't worry, ipapasok natin ang ating final weapon.
Alright, now we go for our final question for Miss Dama de Noche.
Miss Dama de Noche, here is your final question. What is the biggest challenge facing women today?
Buenas noches. Para mí las más importancia problema de las mujeres en el mundo es discriminación y asunto sexual. Las homosexual de La Paz, La Loma, Ventana, Mantequilla y Curacha ang babaeng walang pahinga. Gracias.
At kinilingan niya. What a
Thank
beautiful
you.
answer, Miss Dama de Noche.
Thank
Thank you.
you,
Pwede ka
thank
nang
you.
bumalik sa likod.
At ito na nga po, ang susunod nating tatanungin, hindi ko alam kung paano nakaabot, pero nakaabot pa rin siya. Miss Calachuchi.
Ay! Hindi ako pwede! Hindi ako pwede!
Uy!
Tita, at saka pala, tita, yung kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Q&A, wala akong
Halika.
utak.
Kanina pa kang opening pa lang, nandun ako eh.
Hindi mo naman sinabi, andiyan ka na pala.
Ikaw kasi, tago mo, si Junjun. Oo.
Nakasipit yan sa likod.
Oo. Yan kasi, hindi ka nag-homework. But don't worry, Miss Calachuchi, ipapasok natin ang ating final weapon.
Weapon?
Ang ating interpreter.
Ay!
Oh,
Ang ganda naman pala na interpreter ko, Miss World pa. Bakit andito ko? Siya na lang dapat tumaban.
nauna kang dumating eh. Na-late siya eh. Ikaw na lang sumali.
Diba?
Galing naman, Miss Calachuchi. Ako sa interpreter ha. Ikaw na bahala ah. Good luck, girl.
Okay, Miss
Calachuchi.
Calachuchi.
Miss Calachuchi, here is your question.
Wait.
Huh?
I have an interpreter.
Ay, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. Miss Interpreter, are you ready? Miss
Yes.
Calachuchi, here is your question. What is the biggest challenge facing women today?
I will speak in my native language. Thank you. Ano ite, Chiwa? Thank you so much for that beautiful question. Ite, Chiwa, di ba? Beauty pageant ite. Bakit may Q&A? Diba sa quiz B, kailangan utak lagi. Sa beauty pageant, kailangan ganda lang wa inyuta, kagaya kes. Kaya kuda akes ng kuda dites para machika ng people na brainy akech. I thank you very much. Chika mo na po.
Thank you very much for that beautiful question. You know, I believe that women today, no matter where they may be in the world, should rise to the challenge of getting their voices heard, whether it may be in politics, in business, or even in their own homes. I think the whole world will benefit from listening to what women have to say. And it is up to us to show that we can be strong and intelligent as we are beautiful and loving. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Calachuchi.
At may nanalo na ang Miss Universal Flower. I see. Miss Calachuchi.
Thank you.
O, di ba? At least ngayon, alam nila ang secret para manalo si Miss Calachuchi. And now, girls, it's time to party!